G'day viewers, today I'm going to talk about this Armour Tool auto adjust T-track clamp, and what we're going to use this clamp on is on our Kreg Pocket hole jig. Now I saw this clamp advertised in my local woodworking store on special, and they showed how to fit it to your pocket hole jig, and I thought, well, that looks like a good upgrade for it, so I ended up ordering one. And I'll just show you, normally on your Kreg jig you get a clamp like this where you've got to screw this in and out depending on your thickness of timber, so you've got to mess around a bit on adjusting exactly where to put this. So when I saw this clamp I thought, well, it's a great idea. I'll just bring my jig in here. That's the actual clamp itself, which is part B7-IL, but you get this little bracket with it, which is that one there, the B7-ILBR. So you pull off your existing clamp, just unscrew the 4 screws, then use the same 4 screws, same holes to fit this bracket, and it's got like a little T-track on it. So when you grab your clamp, you can see underneath there it's got the T-bolt. That will just slide into there, like so. And then you just tighten this up. Holds it in place. And then you can slide this to wherever you want. And I'll get a piece of timber here to show you. So bring that in to your timber and clamp that down. Simple. So when you want to go to a thicker piece, just pull that out, grab your big thicker piece in there, and again, easy adjusting. Now the other thing you can do with this, you can adjust the clamping pressure, and in here, you can back around, you can see there's a little screw there, and there's videos online to tell you can adjust the screw through there. There's videos online to tell you how to do that. So yeah, I highly recommend you get yourself one of these. This is really handy as an upgrade on your Kreg jig. Thanks for watching. See you next time.